Monday, the big day for a lot of kids, including IPS, heading back to school. 70 degrees, some patchy fog at the bus stop in the morning. A few storms possible in the afternoon. You can see the best chance of rain really going to be southwest of Indianapolis. Isolated downpour through the afternoon hours. High temperatures pretty close to average for the first day of August, if you can believe it. Highs in the mid-80s. It's a week you're going to want to keep that umbrella in the car. Daily chances for showers and thunderstorms, although no washouts for us. Best chances of rain Wednesday and Friday.